Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 tips on how teachers should talk to students. Unfortunately, there are some cases where some teachers tend to be only lecturers. They come into the classroom, they teach a lesson, and they leave. However, this is not the best approach to get students engaged in their own learning process. So here are some tips on how teachers could possibly communicate better with their students. Okay, let's get right into it.
Hey, have you ever thought about how teachers should talk to students?
Yes, it's important for teachers to communicate effectively with their students.
Definitely. Did you know that effective communication can improve student engagement and academic performance?
Yes, research shows that students who feel connected to their teachers are more likely to succeed in school.
So, what are the top 5 tips for teachers to talk to students effectively?
First, teachers should listen actively to their students to understand their needs and concerns. Second, they should use positive language to encourage and motivate their students.
Now would be a great time to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Do it now because we don't know how much longer this old man is going to be around.
Third, they should provide specific feedback to help students improve. Fourth, they should be clear and concise in their communication. And finally, they should be approachable and available to their students.
Those are great tips. Can you give me an example of how positive language can motivate students?
Sure, instead of saying you're doing that wrong, a teacher could say, let's try it this way and see how it works. This approach is more encouraging and helps students feel supported.
I see. And how can being approachable help students?
When teachers are approachable, students feel comfortable asking for help or expressing their concerns. This can help prevent misunderstandings and build a positive relationship between teachers and students.
That makes sense. Thanks for sharing these tips. I'll keep them in mind when I become a teacher.
You're welcome. Effective communication is key to building a positive and successful learning environment.